Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach third standard EVS. In that lesson, home for everyone. Isn't it, children? Everyone need a home, which is a basic need to all the living organisms who will live on the earth. Okay, a home for everyone. In this lesson, you are going to learn about home and their importance. Okay, so let's start the lesson. Just like human beings, other animals also need shelter from heat, from sun heat. They need to be protected from cold, from rain. They need to protect themselves. To protect themselves, they need a shelter, a home. While some animals look for or build up their own shelter, some need to be provided for. So, which are those? Shelter in the wild. Wild animals make home for themselves in forest. As you know, children, wild animal, they live in forest. Is it? Yes. They live in forest. They make home in forest. Some animals that do not build home find themselves comfortable and a safe place to live. Some animals are there, they can make their home. But some are there, they can't do. So, they find their home in a comfortable and a safe place. These shelters also protect them from other wild animals. Rats and snakes live in holes, as you know that. Rat and snake, they live in a holes, in a ground. Lion, bear and foxes, they choose caves and dens. They make the cave and den as home. Some animals like monkeys, koala live on tree. Is it? Yes. As we learned in earlier, some animals they live on land, terrestrial animals. Some animals they live on water. Some they live on trees. And some of them they live in air. Is it no? Yes. Rabbits make burrow under the ground. Parrot, owl, hornbills. They build nest. Isn't it, children? Yes. In the hollow of a tree trunk, other birds make many different kinds of nest on trees. If you will see in your surroundings, some birds they make nest. You can see different kind of nest on trees. Different birds weave different kinds of nest. Water birds make nest in the plants around the pond, lake or rivers, children. Yes. Some of the birds, what they will do? They make nest in the plants which is nearby the ponds, lakes or rivers place. Okay. Some water birds, they make nest in the plants around a pond, lake or rivers. Water animals like, yes, fish, seal. It live in water. It is their home. Some animals like frogs, crocodiles live in water as well as on land. They're called as amphibians. The animals which live both on land and in water. We call that animals as amphibians. So the example are frog, crocodile. They live in land as well as in water, children. Some soft body animals like turtle. You will see the turtle. Inside that, the organism consists of soft body. If you see the snail, inside the shell, we can see the organism which is so soft. Some soft body animals like turtles and snail carry their homes on their back. How? In the form of shells. These shells protect the snail as well as the turtle. To rest or when faced with the danger, they move back into the hard shell. If you see the turtle and the snail, by seeing the danger, the snail as well as the turtle, they move inside the shell. This shell act as a protective to the animal. This will act as a home itself. Okay. So shelter for domestic animals and pet animals. Domestic animals and pet animals, they can't able to do their home. Domestic animals and pet animals must be given clean and safe place for living. We have to provide clean and safe place for living of the domestic animals and pet animals, children. Example, dog, cat, cows are some of the domestic and pet animals. A pet dog live in a kennel. Cow, buffalo and bulls, we have noticed they live in shed. Yes. Horse, they live in stable. In the text, the picture of the horse and the stable is given. If you see the picture, the horse were living in a place. We call that place as a stable. Goats, sheep are kept in pens. Where this goat and sheep will live? It live in pen. Pet rabbits are kept in hutch. If you see the rabbits keep in a home, we called as hut. Hens and chicks are kept in coop. Okay, now children, see some of the domestic animals and pet animals, they live in different home. Dog live in kennel. Cow, buffalo, bulls are kept in shed. Horse live in stable. Goat and sheep are kept in pens. Rabbit are kept in hutch. Whereas hen and chicks are kept in coop. Okay. Insects and their homes. Not only the wild animals, domestic animals and pet animals, insects also live in a home. as even small creatures like insects, they build their home. They build shelter to protect themselves from rain, heat. Is it? Yes. Some insects like ants, bees, wasps have colonies where large number of them live together. If you see the ant, they live in a group. If you see the bees, they live in a group. If you see the wasp, they live in a group. So, where a large number of them were living together. These insects are called social insects. Where they are going to live in a group, children. Ant make big ant hills. If you see the ants, they build a big ant hills with a small tunnel, tiny tunnel inside it to enter of the ant. They build chambers for eggs and baby ants also. Inside the tunnel, they build a chamber for eggs and for keeping the baby ants. They store food for themselves in the tunnels. See here, these ant will build the ant hill with a tiny tunnel inside it, and they will make a chamber in that where they are going to keep eggs and the baby ants. They store food for themselves in the tunnels. Is it? So bees, they build hives. If you see here in this picture in the text, the bees, they are going to build a beehive of wax. It is made up of a waxy substance, children, where hundreds of bees they will live. If you see the beehive, in the beehive we can see the number of bees they live. This hive is also a collection of so many small chambers where they are going to store the nectar that is collected from the flower. Okay. Bees built big hives of wax where hundreds of bees can live. This hive also a collection of many tiny chambers. These chambers are used to store nectar that is collected from the flowers. The young larvae live in these chambers. Okay. This is about bees. They will build beehives and ant hill. What about the wasp? Wasps build hives of a type of paper. These hives too have small chambers but functions variously. Spider may webs to live in. Insects like ant, cockroach find their ways into our homes. They settle down in the drain, sinks, dark spaces. If you will see the insect, cockroach, they will be settled down in a place where there is a door. Even reptiles also, they will live in our home. They make it as their home. Okay, now children, in this lesson, we learned about the home. Different living organisms have different home, children. Okay, so come to the lesson. Here in this lesson, some of the animals like wild animals which is going to live in forest, they make their home in the forest. They will choose some of the comfortable and safe place to live. Some they can able to make their home, but some they doesn't. So they will choose the comfortable and safe zone for living. Okay, in that wild animals we can see number of examples. There are lion, tiger, snakes, or few examples. If you see some of the birds, they make their nest. Different birds make different nest. Some of the other animals like frog, crocodile, they make water itself as their home. Some animals like turtle, snails, they carry their home on its back in the form of shell. When there is a danger, they move inside the shell and they become safe. Come to the next type of animals. They are domestic animals and pet animals. Domestic animals and pet animals, they live in different place. Dog live in a kennel. Cow, buffalo, bulls are kept in shed. Horse in stable. Goat and sheep in pens. Rabbits in hutch. Chicks are kept in coop. Like that, different domestic and pet animals live in different places and they make their home. Insects also have a different home. The insects like ants, bees, and wasps. Ants, these are all live in a colonies. They are called as social insects. Ants make anthill. In that, they are going to build chamber for keeping the eggs, storing the food in the tunnels, in the anthill, the tiny tunnels. Come to the beehive. The beehive made up of number of hives consist of the wax. This hive is a collection of so many small chambers where they are going to store the nectar. And the young larvae is also kept in the chamber. Come to the wasp. They have built a hive. So this hive has also consist of small chambers, children. Along with that, some of the animals or some of the insects are there, like and some like cockroach, some insects, they live in our home. They will settle in the dark places. Even the reptiles like lizard and some of the other creatures, small insects, they live in our home and make it as the home. Okay. So in this lesson, children, we learnt about the home where every living organism is needed. A home for everyone. So I hope you understood the lesson. In the next class, I am going to start the new lesson for you. Until then, have a good day. Read the text. Bye.